parts for your workout today. Starting off for part A, we have 5 rounds for load and for reps. We have another 30-second on, 30-second off structure. So we're gonna start it off with 30 seconds of split snatches. We'll follow that with 30 seconds of rest. Then we have 30 seconds of V-ups. After that, 30 seconds of rest. On the split snatch, if you have a barbell, that would be ideal for you to perform this movement, but we can perform this movement with a single dumbbell or a single kettlebell. All right, you guys, and moving on for part B, we have a workout for time, and this workout has a 15-minute time cap to it. We're gonna start it off with 30 lateral burpees. If you have a barbell, you're going to perform these burpees over a bar. After your burpees, you have 30 bear complexes, and we're gonna finish the workout off with 30 lateral burpees over the barbell. Reminder that one bear complex is going to be 1 power clean, followed by 1 thruster, directly into 1 back rack thruster. So those 3 movements consist of 1 repetition of the bear complex. We're going to perform that 30 times. If we could prescribe this workout for you at home with a barbell, we would use a 43 kilo bar for the men and a 30 kilo bar for the women. If we have a pair of dumbbells, that's how we need to perform this workout. Prescribed would be something like 45-pound dumbbells and 30-pound dumbbells for the men and the women. All right, you guys, best of luck on these workouts. We're excited to hear how you do. Make sure you post your comments to our notes.
Hey guys, welcome back. It is Sunday. I'm gonna take you through another warm-up. Start off, we got 2 minutes of jump roping. Get that heart rate going, work on some agility. All right, after our jump roping, we got some mobility, preferably with a band. We're gonna lay down on our backs and get a hamstring stretch on both legs. All right, after we stretch out those hammies, we're gonna get an IT band stretch. So stretching out that outer thigh a little bit. And then our last stretch, we'll hit an inner thigh stretch. So we'll open it up on the opposite side of our body, laying that leg down to the floor. We'll get that on both legs. All right, after our mobility, we're gonna do 2 rounds of a series of movements, have 10 repetitions of each. We're gonna start with lunges, warm up those legs. Then we're gonna squat below parallel 10 times. From there, we have some power cleans, working on some hip extension. And then we're going to get some snatches, 10 reps here, going from the floor, some ground to overhead. All right, from there, we're gonna back rack it and get 10 behind the neck push press. And to follow that up, on our second round, we have 10 split jerks. All right, you guys, get after it.